This is a fucking soul.
Where?
You're a good
Haha, he's so cute. That's my shirt, man. It fits you? Because I'm XL, dog.
Mga pabayaan natin 32, 33.
I don't know about that. Mine's hecka expensive.
May dessert pa.
Oh, and plus the soda. Those are expensive. But it doesn't matter.
We're paying.
Cause I have a grand, man. How come? Hey, take a picture of me, please. Hi.
Doesn't have a taste.
Want to say hi to my auntie in the Philippines?
You can't see him.
This shit. Like,
Yes. Lita. Lita.
No, just me. Oh, okay. Just me.
Got it, boss.
Lemon tea. Okay, that's enough.
What is Kiko doing?
That's enough. I said me. Me.
Lita.
naalala ko ba yun? Naalala ko ba yun? Sa Olive Garden.
What about Olive Garden?
I think we should. You're wasting the memory.